I am Rick Vanderveen. I am the general manager of the DeLaval Dairy Service location here in Everson. We have a team experience of 231 years. This is a very customer-driven industry, and we work very closely with the customers.
The customer relationship is very important. A lot of the dairies that I deal with that are our customers are more like friends now than customers.
Personally, I've worked with them for 23 years and enjoyed the relationship we've built doing everything together.
Whenever they need something, we're here for them.
Any customer has an emergency breakdown, the phone call gets directly diverted to a service tech. So they talk to somebody and we're there immediately. This is a 24/7 business and you have to be geared up to service 24/7.
They're only a phone call away, a text away. The service staff, the sales staff at DeLaval, they've been, bar none, the best I've ever worked with.
Even for the break-in of our milking parlor, a couple of the guys were here till 1 or 2 in the morning helping us push cows in and get them trained.
We are one of the only manufacturers in the industry where we supply everything from the robot to the chemicals to the liners to the filters. We are a one-stop shop and have a complete line of products to help them milk their cows and take care of them.
And it's been a good relationship. They've always been willing to help us out. They're really good with trying to help us if we have milk quality issues. They helped us through the whole remodel process. We had a 8 herringbone right where I'm standing and then built the new parlor literally right behind it in 7 days. We were milking cows. So that was a phenomenal job on their part and a slick installation and how all their equipment goes together so we could get it done that fast and keep going.
I would definitely recommend them because, like we've said before, their experience, their teamwork that they have just within themselves.
The way that they have taken care of their customers, they are the best in the business to work with.
It's really a great team, and that's what it's about, and everybody enjoys driving into work, which is really important, and we're excited to go take care of our customers.
I have been with DeLaval Dairy Service for 26 years.
2.5 years. 15 years.
34 years. 30 years.